What if money could exist without any bank, government, or company controlling it? That idea changed finance forever, and its name is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is digital money that people can send directly to each other over the internet. Unlike normal money transfers, Bitcoin doesn't need a bank to approve every payment. But if no bank is in charge, then who keeps track of who owns what? The answer is the blockchain, a public digital record of Bitcoin transactions. Think of it like a giant shared notebook that thousands of computers update together. So every time Bitcoin is sent, the network checks whether that transaction is valid. That solves a huge digital problem, stopping the same coin from being spent twice. Bitcoin was proposed in 2008 by a mysterious creator using Satoshi published a white paper describing a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Then in 2009, the Bitcoin network went live, and from that point on, new blocks could be added, and Bitcoin's history began to grow. So how does someone actually own Bitcoin? You use a Bitcoin wallet, which stores the keys that let you control your coins. A public address is like your account number. It's the one you can share to receive Bitcoin. A private key is the secret proof that the Bitcoin belongs to you. If you lose that private key or your recovery phrase, when you send Bitcoin, your wallet creates a transaction and signs it digitally. That transaction is then broadcast to the Bitcoin network for verification. Valid transactions are collected into a block, waiting to be added to the blockchain. Now comes mining, the process that secures Bitcoin and adds new blocks. Bitcoin uses something called proof of work, where miners compete to solve a difficult puzzle. The first miner to solve it gets to add the next block and earns a reward plus transaction fees. This system makes changing Bitcoin's history extremely difficult. Another major feature is scarcity. Bitcoin's total supply is capped at 21 million coins. Supporters see that limited supply as one reason Bitcoin is often called digital gold. Bitcoin's biggest advantages are decentralization, global transferability, transparency, and self-custody. But Bitcoin also has weaknesses: price volatility, irreversible mistakes, slower base layer, and the biggest risks for beginners are scams, exchange failures, hacking, and losing wallet access. So Bitcoin is not just internet money. It's a decentralized system for ownership. And in the next episode, we'll go deeper into blockchain, mining, and why crypto works without a central authority.